Oh, that's disgusting. What's this? Oh no. What have I done? Dana!
Don't bother trying to get out, Dana.
It's pronounced Dana.
Whatever. It won't matter in a couple minutes.
Why are you doing this?
Don't worry about it. It's personal.
Albert! What are you doing?
I'm just giving you what you wanted, bird dude.
Wait, what?
You wanted a villain. A new evil. Great enough to call your arch nemesis. Well, now you've got one. I've tampered with the explosives in the signal generator. As soon as I get 100 feet away from it, the entire town, along with everyone in it, will become obliterated. Starting with Dana.
Come on, it's Dana!
Yeah, duh.
Whatever! I'm still blowing up the town!
You're mad!
I thank you. That really means a lot coming from you. Now, if you'll excuse me.
Dana, are you okay?
What are you doing? It won't mean anything if he blows up the town. Just go!
Albert!
30.
You're so fast! How do you have so much adrenaline?
55.
Stop! Every time I get closer, you get further away!
80. There's really no way you can catch me.
Hey! Stop! Or I'll...
Or what? You'll kill me? It's going to happen anyway if I get to 100 feet.
I said stop!
I'll never stop. I'll never let go. I'll never stop.
Stop! It's done. She's safe. Oh, that was close.
What happened, bird dude?
I had to kill him. He was going to destroy the whole town if I didn't do it.
Well, something has to be done about this.
Officer Williams, can you give us a minute?
Sure.
What are you doing, Dana?
You caused all of this?
Huh?
He said he was giving you what you wanted. You threatened everyone's lives because you were bored?
I'm sorry. I was just trying to do what you said.
What I said?
You told me to find someone else.
I said you will find someone else. I didn't say that you should go and purposefully create some problem to solve. I don't think this is gonna work out.
What's not going to work out?
Us.
But Dana...
I think you're gonna have to stop being bird dude.
That sounds doable. If you stop being bird dude, we'll drop all charges.
But it's the only life I know.
Just don't worry about it too much, honey.
Dana,
People come and go from life.
don't do this to me.
It's natural.
Please.
You'll find someone else.
You don't know that.
I know you will.
Dana, do you think we'll ever meet again?
If we're lucky.
Well, here we go.